Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You already saw in one video this 2005 Toyota Highlander two-wheel drive with 202,000 miles on the odometer. It's a new purchase of my older customer who you know owns the Lexus. He bought this for the kids. And he needs to be dealing with some maintenance immediately. So he made an appointment for the worst of the worst, and as the budget will allow, we will continue working on it. I already filmed it for you, because when you start the vehicle and put it in drive, the whole engine shakes, and that's because this failed top engine mount. I have that from Toyota. I will be replacing that. After, I will do heavy leak on valve covers, and this will be very short video, and it will basically show the engine which was not taken care properly of. So that's a variable valve timing unit. Look at that oil caked on it. This engine was not being serviced correctly. It was not getting correct engine oil changes, and you will see it here. I think, and I'm looking on the screen of the camera, the color is beautiful, but not for the engine. I like the colors, you see all that. This is the caked, burnt engine oil. And all the previous owners were supposed to do is replace the oil in the right time, but they didn't. Nobody can tell you that they took care of it, right? If I will say, hey guys, this was not done correctly, they cannot say, oh, it was. No, it's not correct. This could be slightly golden maybe, but it cannot have this horror baked inside of the engine, because we are finding this after I finally popped this valve cover. I show you in previous video the number one spark plug was fully submerged in the oil. They are still in. I have also new spark plugs for him. So number one was like 3 inches in the oil. This is because this tube seal gasket failed. It was hard. I had to peel them off. Some of them stayed here and some of them stayed on the cover. I will try to show you how hardened they are. It's like a plastic instead of rubbery material. It's still there. Look at it. So instead of being soft and rubbery, by the age and the heat cycles, it became brittle and it stopped performing its function. And instead of being soft, it breaks as a plastic. So this was not, did you see that? Do you see these pieces? I have to be careful. This one is better example. It's brittle. It doesn't have any more. I should have a gloves. I always have a gloves, but this is for you filming. I will go and clean myself immediately. This is bad. That's a huge lack of maintenance. The previous owners didn't care about this. Look, this is what I scraped. And this is what will happen if you don't take care of your vehicle. That oil is completely burnt. We are doing all of it ASAP. These are the items I put for him as a ASAP. He's dealing with it. And as I said, as a budget will allow, we will continue and taking care of this baby, because they want to keep it for a son. It will be his first vehicle. So they have a clear motivation to do correct maintenance and keep this vehicle for a while. And this is typical Toyota situation. We see it again, how Toyotas are tolerant to the abuse. This vehicle came here with absolutely no problems except that rattle from that engine mount. But when I scanned it, there's absolutely no misfires, no problems with timing, despite the fact this is horror, the caked stuff. The engine runs perfectly. It was smoked, and it's just a happy engine. The spark plugs were flooded. Doesn't matter. The Toyotas keep running, even with certain amount of abuse. I'm not encouraging it. I'm just saying. So that will be a quick video. I hope you find it interesting. Something from my shop. You don't see it so bad very often, so I want to show you that. If you like it, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.